So a big thing I get asked is, why is a run and gun charger from Powerhouse Lithium important? And I'm about to show you why. So right here, I'm going to connect to my graph battery. Now on my boat, a little different than most, I can actually control my DC chargers from there. So what I've done is I have turned on the run and gun charger for my 16-volt battery. You can actually see right now the amperage is negative, almost 9 amps. That is from the draw of the graphs. What this DC charger is going to do is when I kick this motor on, it's actually going to send energy to this battery and start charging it. And you'll see those amps change from negative to positive. So I'm going to go ahead and crank the engine. And automatically, just at crank, our amps are now up to 6.8 positive amps of charging, and our status on the battery has now changed to charge. So what's really cool about this, hence the name of the charger, a run and gun charger, is as I'm idling, like we are here, as we are running and gunning, we are charging our batteries. So what's really cool about that is, even though we're not plugged into AC power, our system is charging the batteries as that engine runs. Probably the most important accessory you can put in your boat. It's going to give you longer run time. It's also going to ensure your batteries are topped off, and you'll be able to fish for days with this setup. So run and gun charger from Powerhouse Lithium. This is why this system is so awesome.